Hi, Ma'am Jen. So, sagutin kita. Sabi mo dito, hello po, ask ko lang po. Mag-iisang buwan pa lang ako dito sa Hong Kong. Gusto ko na umuwi kahit 1 month salary ko hindi ko na makuha or ako na lang bibili ng ticket. Okay, ma'am. So, sagutin kita, ma'am, base sa aking pag-research. Kasi wala akong personal experience sa Hong Kong. Pero ang pagkaalam ko kasi kapag Hong Kong, tapos DH yung trabaho mo, yung employer, kahit walang reason, pwede ka na i-terminate. Yung mga ganun. Pero basahin ko ha. Ito, sabi dito. Pwede ka naman. Sabi dito ha. Can you terminate your 2 years contract as DH in Hong Kong? Ang sagot, ang sabi, yes, you can terminate your 2 years contract as a domestic helper in Hong Kong. However, you must follow the legal procedures and guidelines set by the Hong Kong government. Here are the key points to consider. Notice period. So, ito yung sinabi dito sa yung mga dapat mong gawin, mama. Bali, apat to. Isa, notice period, termination without notice, notification to immigration, reminder of stay. Yan yung mga gagawin mo kung nagbabala ka na i-terminate mo yung contract mo. So, basahin ko muna. Sabi dito, sa notice period, sabi, you must give at least 1 month's notice in writing or pay 1 month's wage in lieu of notice. Kailangan mo magbayad. Pangalawa, termination without notice. Kung hindi ka magbibigay ng notice. Sabi dito, you may terminate the contract without notice or payment in lieu of notice if you are permanently unfit for the type of work you are engaged. Pangatlo, notification to immigration. Kailangan mo i-notify yung kailangan nyo i-notify yung immigration. Parang magka-pareha lang talaga sa Singapore. Sabi dito, both you and your employer must notify the Director of Immigration within 7 days of termination. Pangapat, reminder of stay. If you are terminating your contract, you are allowed to remain in Hong Kong for up to 2 weeks after the termination. It is crucial to understand the implications of terminating your contract and to ensure that you comply with all legal requirements to avoid any issues with your employment status or your ability to work in Hong Kong. Okay, ma'am? Ito yung mga dapat mong gawin kung i-terminate mo yung kontrata mo, yung 2 years contract mo. So, kung nasa iyo yung papers mo, yung standard contract, dapat tingnan mo din yun kung ano yung nakasulat doon, tapos yun na yung sundin mo. Okay, ma'am? Sana nasagot yung katanungan mo. Pero kung meron ka pa ibang katanungan, just comment below. Pero kung hindi ka, kumbaga parang hindi ka sure dito sa sinagot ko sa'yo, kasi sinerge ko lang din to online. So, ito yung sagot dito sa akin. Ang sabi, ang title can you terminate your 2 years contract as a DH in Hong Kong? Sabi dito, yes. Ito nga lang yung mga dapat mong gawin, yung apat. So, ngayon, pwede kang magbigay ng notice or pwedeng hindi. Hindi ka magbibigay ng notice, yun nga lang. Kailangan mapatunayan mo na hindi ka unfit. So, anyway, ma'am, sana nasagot yung katanungan mo. Pero kung meron ka pang ibang concern, pwede po kayo tumawag sa DMW. Kasi ang DMW, sila po yung dapat natin kinukontak kung tayo ay nagkakaroon ng problema sa ating mga employer. Okay, ma'am? Sana nasagot ko yung katanungan mo. Pero kung meron ka pang ibang katanungan, just comment below. See you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.